Tell him McKinley sent you, okay? What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, you already know what we're doing today. I just want to get a big shout out to WIG. They were so kind enough to reach out to me and send me this wig. As you can tell, it looks amazing. Like, I really like it. And can you believe it that it is synthetic? Like, I cannot. It looks so good. Like, the lace is good, everything is good, the length is good. Like, as you can see, the length, so cute. The curls, they came so nice. I can run my fingers through it. It does not tangle. Like, little to no shedding. I really like this wig. So their website is MyBeautyExchange.com and their Instagram is @BeautyExchange. Everything will be linked down below. Everything will be on the screen, all that good stuff. So, but it is a lace front wig and you can actually add heat to this wig. I didn't even need to like hot comb it or anything because it literally lays so good. And you can do a middle part, you can do a side part, like you could do so much with this wig. And I'm telling you, I would say this is the best synthetic lace frontal that I've ever received or ever bought, any of that. This wig here is the truth. So y'all need to go pick this wig up, and if you do, you know, tell him McKinley sent you, okay? Okay, so if you don't know who I am, my name is McKinley Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, but mostly fashion and hair videos. I know I haven't put out a hair video in a long time. And I know one of my best videos on my channel is a wig, like a wig install. And like, that was when I first started. So like, it's honestly really bad. Like, the audio cut out and everything, but it still has like 20K views, which is ridiculous to me. But yeah, so here I am back with another one, and this one it's giving, honey. It's giving. Like, I really like this wig. Like, so make sure you follow me on all of my social medias. Stay tuned if you want to see how I slayed this wig or whatever, because it's fire. Okay, synthetic wear. Okay, period. Okay, guys, this wig comes with lashes, 2 wig caps, and a edge brush with the rat tail comb attached. And I'm just showing you guys right now how the wig looks fresh out of the box and everything. As you can tell, the lace is a tad bit darker than my skin tone. It is definitely a darker lace tint, so if you are darker than me, then this wig will look perfect for you and match your skin tone a lot more. But I'm just showing you how the wig moves and the inside of the wig and how it is structured. So the name of this wig is the Mayde Beauty Synthetic 13x4 lace front wig, and it is a whole lace and it is in the color 2. The length is very long and it is heat safe, so you can use heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The texture of this wig is really soft and doesn't tingle much at all. And you can tell that it is very versatile. And the parting, as you saw, I was just playing with it using the side part and the middle part. But like I said, the lace is a little bit dark, as you can see from my skin complexion, but the lace does feel really well. Alright, lovely, so I'm sure this is not the first wig video that you have seen, so you kind of know what I'm doing right now. I'm just cutting the lace so it will be more manageable when I'm trying to tack it down. And I'm just using the Got To Be glue spray that everybody and their mama own. So yeah, and I'm just spraying that directly on my forehead and then just positioning the lace so I can know like exactly where to put it. And here I am just blow drying on hot or medium, not really hot, but just medium. Because I tried to do the cool, but it really was not working for me. So I just started using the regular one. But now you can see that it is starting to lay, you know. So I got that part laid, and now I am just going to the sides, which are the hardest part, honestly, because the sides never want to lay down for me. I don't know if it's everybody else, but I don't know why, but it just never wants to like completely stick to my skin. So I had to get a little bit more love on this side because, you know, we don't want the ear tabs to be coming up. Like, that's a dead giveaway. Like, come on now. Alright, I'm back. Did y'all miss me? So now I'm just tying it down with a scarf. And I wish I had one of those like elastic bands, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just using a regular smegular scarf. As you see, tying it very tight to hopefully, you know, melt this lace, melt this little tinted lace or whatever. But okay, I waited like 10 minutes, not that long, because didn't have that time. So I took it off, took the scarf off, and you can tell that like it's stuck on there now. It's stuck. So now I am just using this razor that I got from probably like Amazon, but it's like for if you want to do your eyebrows or something like that. Like that's what this razor type of blade is for. But I'm just using it, you know, to take off this lace. And as you can tell, like I definitely sprayed the glue a little bit down too far on my forehead, but we gonna fix that, as you gonna see in these next couple of clips. So now I'm just going back with some more got to be glue, because I wanted to like make sure the ends of where I just cut this lace off was gonna be like stayed down or whatever. And you can kind of see like the white kind of shadow, but we're gonna go back in and we're gonna fix that with some bronzer, so don't worry about that. But yeah, so I'm just using the rat tail comb right now to just make sure the lace is not peeling up, because we hate that. But thank God this lace was good and it did not peel up. And now I am just, you know, going back in with the blow dryer to melt that lace, baby. I did little to no plucking on this wig, because the hairline to me looked really good. Like I didn't have to do much customizations to this wig, but I did pluck it just a little bit in the front for my baby hairs, because I don't like my baby hairs to be too thick. I hate that look. So that's why I was just showing you guys how I plucked the front part for my baby hairs. I definitely should have looked towards the camera, but I was looking at my mirror so it can be nice and right. So I'm just laying the baby hairs out. Now I use my edge booster gel to just lay the baby hairs. I should have used mousse, but I did not have any, so you know, just had to go with it. Edge booster, and I'm just cutting the baby hairs. I like to make my baby hairs very short so they look a little bit more natural. I know they don't look perfect, but they do look a little bit more natural when they are shorter and not on the longer side. I am just going in with my e.l.f. contour like palette thing, that's a bronzer, to just clear up that white like residue that's on my lace from the got to be glue. Back again, and here I am just putting some concealer on the part just to clean it up a little bit, even though I was really messy with this, but I blended it out with my fingers, so it wasn't like, it didn't look crazy or nothing. Lovelies, I really do hope you enjoyed this video because I had a fun time making it. Like I said, again, thank you so much, Beauty Exchange Supply, for gifting me this wig. I love it. Like, I really love it. Like, it doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle the curls. You can still definitely see the curls. You can wear a side part, you can wear a middle part. Girl, this wig you need to cop. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for more videos from me. Go look at my natural hair videos and my wig videos. I have a playlist, so if you are interested in more videos like that, definitely give this video a big thumbs up, because that'll let me know that you want to see more wig videos from me. Yeah, bye guys.